Want to make sure your Windows 11 PC is fully protected? Here are 3 security settings you should check right now. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then open Windows Security. Inside, click Virus and Threat Protection and make sure real-time protection is turned on. This keeps your PC safe from active threats. Second, go back and open Firewall and Network Protection. Make sure your firewall is on for all network types: domain, private, and public. Third, scroll down to Device Security and check that core isolation and memory integrity are enabled. These features protect your system from advanced attacks. That's it. With these 3 settings, your Windows 11 PC stays much safer. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows security tips.